File in this May 10, 2018, file photo. Stock screens are shown at the New York Stock Exchange. The U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. EDT on Monday, August 14. AP photo. Mark Lenehan. File. New York. AP. U.S. stocks rallied Tuesday as banks, retailers, and smaller companies jumped. That helped the market recover most of its losses from the previous 2 days. The Turkish lira steadied as officials from Turkey and the U.S. said the countries are in talks to ease diplomatic tensions, which have resulted in high tariffs on Turkish steel and aluminum. Stocks in emerging markets like Argentina, Russia and Brazil jumped. In the U.S., the biggest gains went to small and mid-sized companies, which do more business domestically compared to the large multinational firms on indexes like the E.S. Retailers rose, thanks in part to strong quarterly reports. The reduced tensions with Turkey also stopped a rally in bond prices and sent yields and interest rates higher. That helped banks. Industrial and basic materials companies also rose Tuesday, but compared to other parts of the market, they didn't recover as much of their losses. Invesco chief global market strategist Christina Hooper said investors are shifting money into more U.S.-focused companies in response to the Trump administration's aggressive handling of its dispute with Turkey, a longtime member of NATO. This is a reminder that the U.S. is a very different country than it was just a few years ago, she said. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 112.22 points, or 0.4%, to 25,299.92. The Nasdaq Composite added 51.19 points, or 0.7%, to 7,870.89. The Russell 2000 Index advanced 17.26 points, or 1%, to 1,692.58. PS. Many retailers will report their quarterly results this week, a potential hint about how much money consumers are spending. Tapestry, the parent company of Coach and Kate Spade, jumped after its fourth quarter results surpassed analysts' estimates. The stock surged 12% to $53.16. Auto parts retailer Advance Auto Parts jumped 7.8% to $156.13 after it did better than expected in the second quarter. Competitors AutoZone and O'Reilly Automotive climbed as well. Smaller companies made outsized gains. Footwear maker Wolverine Worldwide gained 2.4% to $38.39 and watchmaker Fossil rose 4.8% to $25.68. Among mid-size companies, Boston Beer picked up 3.9% to $291.30 and RV maker Thor Industries rose 2.6% to $97.06. Global markets fell Friday and Monday on concern that Turkey's currency turmoil could spread to banks in other countries and affect the world economy. The Argentine peso and India's rupee hit record lows against the dollar. Those jitters eased later Tuesday. Economists say Turkey's central bank still needs to raise interest rates significantly to strengthen its currency. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has ruled out that step. Hooper, of Invesco, said it's common for stocks to fall across emerging markets when one country is in trouble, but that reaction isn't necessarily justified. What we're seeing in emerging markets today is a repeat of what we've seen crisis after crisis for the last few decades, Hooper said. We can't treat all emerging markets the same way. She said Argentina, like Turkey, is dealing with a plunging currency and political turmoil. But most of Turkey's problems are specific to that country and other emerging markets like Mexico are likely to recover. Bond prices moved lower. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note rose to 2.90% from 2.88%. Cigna and Express Scripts both rose after billionaire investor Carl Icahn said he's ending his campaign to block the deal. He had urged Cigna shareholders to vote against the $52 billion acquisition of Express Scripts and said the price was far too high. Health insurer Cigna added 1.9% to $185.30, and Express Scripts, a pharmacy benefits manager, picked up 2.4% to $86. Consumer credit company Synchrony Financial rose 2.8% to $30.01 after it said it extended a contract to manage credit card programs for home improvement retailer Lowe's. Lowe's gained 1.3% to $98.40. Benchmark U.S. crude slipped 0.2% to $67.04 per barrel in New York. Brent crude, used to price international oils, dipped 0.2% to $72.46 per barrel in London. Gold added 0.2% to $1,200.70 an ounce. Silver rose 0.5% to $15.05 an ounce. Copper fell 1.8% to $2.68 a pound following weak economic reports from China. Growth in factory output, consumer spending and retail sales in July were slower than expected. Wholesale gasoline picked up 1% to $2.03 a gallon. Heating oil lost 0.4% to $2.13 a gallon. Natural gas rose 1% to $2.96 per 1,000 cubic feet. The dollar rose to 111 yen and 22 cents from 110 yen and 69 cents. The euro fell to $1.1339 from $1.1394. Germany's DAX rose less than 0.1%. The CAC 40 in France fell 0.2% and Britain's FTSE 100 lost 0.4%. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 added 2.3%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng declined 0.7% while the Kospi and Seoul advanced 0.5%. _____AP Markets writer Marley J can be reached at http://twitter.com/marleyjapp. His work can be found at https://appnews.com/search/marleyj. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.